Sacred leaf, whisper low, ancient flow, not just smoke but hidden sign. Design, me roll slow with mindful hand. Understand, herb not tie for reckless mind. Aligned, it reveal what a reggae live inside. No hide, Herbal Code teach moderation art. Wise art, too much drown the clarity light. Low sight, balance keep the blessing pure, secure. Herbal Code, read it right, inner sight. Herbal Code, discipline key, set free. Me meditate upon every draw, natural law. Thought expand but ego shrink. Clear think, me nah use sleep. Fear run from fear, me stay here. Ganja amplify intention base. Show face, if heart clean then vision rise. Clear skies, if mind cloud then chaos grow. You know, so me God, me spirit yet elevate. Herbal Code plus iron will stand still. Stand sacred when used wise. Realize Herbal Code, roots and flames. Herbal Code, calm and strong, lifelong. Oh, faith, wisdom stay, guide way. Separately, sacred leaf, sacred leaf, sacred leaf, sacred, sacred leaf. Sacred leaf, sacred leaf, sacred leaf, sacred leaf, sacred leaf, sacred leaf, sacred leaf. Oh, sacred leaf, sacred leaf, lion man. Storm blow, but me posture firm. Lesson learned. Me nah rush the blessing for quick reward. Stay a guard. Patience heavy like anchor chain. True rain. Every delay refine me sight. Future bright. Me trust process more than hype. Solid tight. We see many sprint then fade away. Short stay. Me choose a marathon mentally keep pace. One place. Iron patience build backbone steel. Real deal. Iron patience strong and wide. Deep inside. Iron patience slow advance. No chance. Me plant seed and water daily, not lazy. Me understand growth, silent grow below. Roots spread long before branch show. That's how. Me not bitter when doors stay closed. Compose every no redirect relay. Clear brain. Me forge will power under strain again. I am patient, shining darkest test. Standless when moment right we strike clean. Unseen. With spark fade. Slow fire last. Built to last. I am patient, steady flame. No shame. I am patience, calm control. Rock soul. Slow climb. Strong frame. Win again. Slow climb. Strong frame. Win again. Nah, nah, nah. Nah, nah, nah. Drum beat echo like jungle call. Stand tall. Lion heart never kneel low. Forward go. Me march with courage in my chest. No rest. Fear not, but me hold me ground. No sound. Lion heart roar silent beat. Promise keep. Me now bow to pressure throne. Overthrown. Me loyalty strong to truth alone. Cornerstone. Every scar badge of survival war. Rasta core. Lion heart march. Fearless stride. No hide. Lion heart march. Bold and clean. King demean. Me protect the weak when storm get rough. Stand tough. Me lead by example. Not empty talk. Straight walk. Courage in me Mistake teach, but me now remain in pain. Forward vision burn me sight, day and night. Me respect history, but me build new, fresh view. Me not trapped in yesterday fame. Same game, future craft by action now. Show how eternal forward, never stall, stand tall. Eternal forward, clear and strong, move along. Me brave cycle, we no longer serve. Reserve, me rewrite story true. Disciplining, deep think. Every sunrise, new page turn. Lessons burn. Me now fear unknown, horizon line divine. Growth demand, courage leap, faith keep. If me fall, me rise again, stronger than. Forward mindset shaping him, solid frame. Backward glance brief, but sharp. Forward thought. Eternal forward, steady climb, one time. Eternal forward, root and fire, rise higher. Eternal forward, step by step, me journey prove. Eternal forward, always step by step, step by step. Step by step, journey always na 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 na. Soft breeze roll through the valley side. Melody rise like a calming tide. Every heartbeat find a gentle flow, guiding spirit where the peace must go. The morning dew respond the land. Nature whisper like a healing hand. Fragrance of hope drift in the air. Show the people say love still blend like colors bright, painting peace across the night. Every corner feel the wave, set the timid heart feel brave. The elders chant, wisdom wide, lift the nation side by side. Hold firm, stay strong, harmony guide we all along. No fear, no doubts, let the inner light come out. River of harmony, carry we strong, flow through the heart like sacred song. Lift every burden, wash every pain, bring back sunshine after the rain. River of harmony, steady and pure, guide we forward, soul secure. River of harmony. When night fall, whisper low, remember the river still flow. Hold the rhythm, keep it near, harmony always here. Na na na, na na na. Na na na. Hear me breath full of memory, ancestry. Every inhale tell me who me be, history living in me. Me roots not only in a side, but in vice and daily kyle. In laughter echo long ago, in tears that silently flow. We carry culture in me chest, heart we test, spirit blessed. Even far from where me born, roots keep me warm. Them travel with me every place, invisible grace. Me not forget the path behind, it shape me mind, refine me spine. Roots in every breath me take, never break. Roots in every breath me draw, living law. Me speak truth with accent deep, history keep. Me stance reflect the past survive, still alive. Me honor names me never met, true respect. Rain out whisper soft and slow. Me roots remind me who me know. When storm shake me in a frame, roots remain. Breath connect me to the line, to space and time. Roots in every breath me feel. Roots in every breath me claim. No shame. As long as me breathe and stand, roots guide me on. of Zion. Ganja blaze, yeah man. Me step out of me yard, the lion heart. Chalice in a hand, me ready for the start. Me nah walk alone, me trod with your light. In a darkness, me still shine bright. Me see youth with no hope, no plan. But me say, hold firm, you a strong man. System cold, but me soul stay warm. Me carry the storm in a roots man farm. Step with light, step with fire. One love burning, rising higher. Ganja blaze and the drums them tight. Reggae warrior, me stand for right. No retreat, we dep on mission. Sound of Zion, roots man vision. Me nah dep on TikTok fame. Me dep on truth, me dep on name. Me chant for the youth where Babylon blind. Me chant for the ones who seeking sign. Me nah throw stone, me build foundation. Each lyric a healing meditation. From Kingston Street to Berlin Yard. One rhythm a beat and the message hard. Meditation rise with the smoke in the air. Lion road deep, no time for fear. Me dep on a hill with herb in a palm. Sound system roll, bring the calm. Drum and bass, connect me soul. Truth and love, that's a me goal. Ital food and ancient chants. Me live simple, me not take chance. Step with light, step with fire. One love burning, rising higher. Ganja blaze and the drums them tight. Reggae warrior, me stand for right. No retreat, we dep on mission. Sound of Zion, roots man vision. Zion echoes, sound calling high. We not fake vibes, we reaching sky. Me nah need crown, me need the truth. Me raise me voice for the innocent youth. Every verse is a seed me sow. Me nah wait for system fi grow. Me bring freedom with every line. And blaze the herb fi clear the mind. So rise up, step on the ground. Let reggae music be your sound. We not fight with gun, we fight with vibe. We plant hope where evil hide. So come here now, chanting the light. Zion echoes bring the people inside. And when the rhythm drop, feel no fear. We treading strong, Jah love is near. Morning light touch the road ahead. Road ahead, road ahead. Me breathe deep, what life said. What life said, what life said. No rush step, no backward glance. No backward glance, no backward glance. Me move with chance, steady stance. Me no sprint fi impress the eye. Me walk steady, aiming high. Every stumble teach me more than smooth ground ever before. We carry lesson, drag the load. Each mile shake me code. Me learn patience, beat haste. When goal far and road taste. Them laugh when me pace seems slow. But them nah know. Consistency beat excitement fast. Slow grind last. Me choose progress over nice. Quiet choice. Me no compete with anyone. Me race me own run. Still moving forward. learn momentum, not about speed, but direction indeed. Small movements, still progress sign. When heart align, even past can be part of growth. If mine hold oath, me no stuck in past mistake. Me use them to awake. Each sunrise give chance new perspective true. Me no fear detour bend. Every road teach can, even when path unclear. Me move without fear, still moving forward. Grounded mind, alive. Still moving forward, clear and strong. Carry on. So me trust the road me choose. Nothing lose, only truth.
Big spliff with coconut, your man. We step in a morning dew, barefoot on the land. We feel the heartbeat of the earth in a me hand. We carry no phone, we carry no chain, just a spliff, a drum, and a mind so plain. We walk through mist and mango trees. We chant ancient words, carried by breeze. Me not in a rush, me in a flow. We reason with river and let wisdom grow. We meet an elder by a roots man gate. Him say youths take time, don't move with hate. Him light a chalice, pass it slow. Tell story about time when the vibes did glow. We listen close with a humble ear. Each word a jewel, each pass sincere. The path not straight, but it's always true. When you walk with Jah, you find what's due. Through the hills of Iration, me soul find salvation. In a breeze, in a smoke, me levitate. Me heartbeat in a natural state. No clock rule, me meditation. Just peace and good vibration. We chant with birds, we reason with sky. We live and love till the day me fly. In a valley me find a quiet spring. We sit and write songs for the most high king. No stage, no fame, just me and Jah. A coconut, a fire and the Itala. We reflect on life, how Babylon rush, how them chase vanity and forget lush. But me know say simplicity a key to unlock joy and truly be free. We climb to the top of the sacred hill with chalice light and a silent will. We look down and see the world a spin. We give thanks that we live from within. Herbs grow wild and the rhythm plays slow. Drum echo in a valley, let the healing flow. We inhale truth, then exhale fear. Rastafari speak, me ears them clear. Through the hills of Iration, me soul find salvation. In a breeze, in a smoke, me levitate. Me heartbeat in a natural state. No clock rule, me meditation. Just peace and good vibration. We chant with birds, we reason with sky. We live and love till the day me fly. We rise when sun a kiss the leaves. We greet me day with thankful griefs. Me no pain, me no joy, me no test. But Rasta teach me how to rest. No need for war, we need harmony.
Aye, ganja is Marcus medicine, your mom. Oh, go on. Down in the valley, low and green, hope I rise like morning sheen. Though the shadow try to stay, valley light a brighter day. Every every seed I promise grow. Valley teach the ones to know. Gentle breeze and river song. Valley keep them moving strong. Traveler weary, take a rest. Valley give the soul its best. Fruit them ripen, flowers bloom. Valley chase away the gloom. Children laugh and elders smile. Valley healing all the while. No despair can linger long. Valley sing the hopeful song. Oh. Babylon crumble on the hill. Valley stand by Jah will. Righteous gather, chant aloud. Valley hold a holy crowd. Every prayer them send above. Valley overflow with love. Roots grow strong, harvest near. Valley dry away the tear. Even when the storm cloud rise, Valley still a paradise. Shelter safe for rich and poor. Valley open every door. Birds of Zion build a nest. Valley give the people rest. Blessed ground, no fear, no fight. Valley glow with holy light. Oh, morning sun upon the plain. Valley sing redemption strain. Evening star across the sky. Valley chant will never die. Generation pass along. Valley keep the faith so strong. Everlasting, deep and wide. Valley hold your love inside. Grow, 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 seed of peace. Valley blessing never cease. Shine, shine, bright and true. Valley sing Jah song for you. Valley of hope so pure, so wide. Lift the people side by side. Never fading, never gone. Valley sing creation song. Forever living, bold and free. Valley hold eternity.
Zion Raga Rasta Aman. Yeah man, yeah. Brother. Oh, yeah. Brother. Crown of Zion shining gold. Story of the truth it told. It blessed the humble, lift the meek. Zion crown all people seek. No Babylon can take away. Zion crown here fi stay. Forever holy, pure and true. Zion crown carry you. Zion crown, bright and tall. Blessing given for one and all. Every jewel, a holy flame. Zion crown exalt his name. It rests upon the Rasta head. Zion crown just spread. Forever shining, never fall. Zion crown for all. It guide the nation, bless the land. Zion crown by Jah hand. Forever holy, wide and free. Zion crown destiny. Me see it glow in morning sun. Zion crown never done. It shine the way
It shine with fire, shine with flame. Zion crown, exalt his name. No Babylon can take away. Zion crown, forever stay, forever holy, strong and true. Zion crown belong to you. Zion crown, blaze so bright, shine eternal, holy light. Every jewel of holy flame. Zion crown, call your name. It bless the children, bless the meek. Zion crown, all hearts seek, forever holy, never gone. Zion crown, shining strong, it guide the nation, guide the man. Zion crown, Jah plan, forever glowing, pure and long. Zion crown, Jah song, me see it blaze in morning sun. Zion crown, never done, it shine eternal, never fall. Zion crown for all, forever holy, pure and true. Zion crown carry you, no Babylon can dim the flame. Zion crown, call your name, it rise eternal, shine so high. Zion crown, fill the sky, forever glowing, never cease. Zion crown, bring Jah peace. It crown the mountain, crown the sea. Zion crown, eternity, eternal shining, strong and free. Zion crown, destiny. When the trumpet sound again, Zion crown still remain, forever holy, never fall. Zion crown bless us all, from dawn of time till judgment day. Zion crown show Jah way, eternal blazing, pure and long. Zion crown, Jah song, shine high, shine true. Zion crown, for me and you, no chain, no hand can take it down. Zion crown, Jah crown, Zion crown, blaze so bright, shine eternal, holy light. Every jewel, a holy flame. Zion crown, call your name, from age to age, from dusk to dawn. Zion crown still carry on.
Badabim Badabum, Rastafari is stone, yeah man. Early in the morning, me rise with light. Birds, them a sing and me heart feel right. Me step outside, barefoot on the ground. Nature a guide every sacred sound. Me gather herb from the roots me grow. Me burn a chalice, me spirit flow. In a silence, me start to pray. Give thanks for life every single day. Herb and harmony, balance divine. Me soul align in Jah sunshine. Call up the ancients in a deep breeze. Me feel them whispering at the trees. Herb and harmony, one meditation. In a this chant me find salvation. No rush, no fight, just breath and song. In a Jah presence me belong. Me walk through hills where me elders trod. Them teach we about the power of Jah and God. How the plant a heal and the rhythm a guide. How we no need no riches fi feel alive. Me sit by the fire with Naya bingy beat. Drum echo heart and earth beneath me feet. Me reason deep with me sister and true. Love and life is all we do. Me nah look west
west, me nah look east, me look within. Fi find me peace, meditation deep like ocean tide. Me find the eye, me ego hide. Me trod slow but me vision high. Me smoke a draw and me touch the sky. Each herb leaf a ancient code. Me travel far but me heart stay home. Urban harmony, wisdom sound. Me chant with heart till truth be found. Call of creation, voice of light. Me feel it strong in a full moon night. Urban harmony, no disguise. Just Rasta way, no Babylon lies. We nah go run, we stand up firm. Each session a blessing, each moment we learn. Me children laugh, them run and play. Me teach them love in a roots man way. Me woman strong, she hold the fire. She chant and drum with righteous desire. We plant together, we reap with grace. No vanity in a the sacred space. Just music, healing, food and song. Me know in Zion we all belong. So light your spliff and breathe real slow. Let go the stress, just let love grow. The universe hear every sound you send, and every journey have a holy end. Urban harmony, life and drum. Me chant until the kingdom come. Call of the ancients, roots and sky. Me know me soul will never die.
Ay, 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 ay. My Rastafari, Jah bless the world. Me rise up early, sun in a me eye. Me hear Jah whisper from the sky. Them say go slow, but me can't wait. The fire in a me roots, nah hesitate. Babylon build walls round with soul, but me say love break every control. Them say follow the dollar, me say no. Me follow the river, me let it flow. Me granny say, youth mind your way, but me say granny, the system stray. Me nah fit in a the rat race. Me say truth live in a Jah face. Them want silence, me say voice. Them want fear, me say choice. Me say rebel heart, me say flame. Me chant freedom in a Jah name. Fire in a roots, me say blaze. Through the darkness, through the maze. Babylon crumble, we stand tall. Jah soldiers never fall. Fire in a roots, me say rise. Light this city, light these skies. Me say unity, me say sound. Jah music, shake the ground. Them put cameras on me street. Them say me dangerous cause me speak. But me lyrics nah bend, nah break. Me say rebel love, nah fake. Me say chant down every chain. Me say dance in a the rain. Me say uplift me brother, me say heal. Me say freedom, song real. Me say no machine can kill soul. Me say no wall can block gold. Me say from Kingston to Berlin, rebel voice still ring. Them say me too loud, me say louder. Them say me too proud, me say prouder. Me say Jah guide every step. Me say me nah have no regret. Listen now, can you hear it clear? The sound of freedom draw near. Me say march pon the street with drum. Me say Babylon time done. Me say heart over weapon. Me say truth over deception. Me say one love in a the crowd. Me say chant it strong, chant it loud. Fire in our roots. Me say blaze through the darkness, through the maze. Babylon crumble, we stand tall. Just soldiers never fall. Fire in our roots. Me say rise. this city, light the skies. Me say unity, me say sound. Jah music shake the ground. Me say from Africa plain to Caribbean sea, the rebel song set we free. Me say no chain for me mind. Me say leave Babylon behind. Me say children dance, elders smile. Me say walk free every mile. Me say no more war for oil. Me say plant seed in a soil. Me say turn up the sound system. Me say rebel music wisdom. Me say heal the wound with vibe. Me say live free, me say thrive. So me walk with fire in a me step. Me say love is all me rep. Me say roots deep in the ground. Me say hear it now, rebel sound. Yes, I am lion in a jungle. Me wake up to the sound of breeze. Birds are sing and me heart at ease. She beside me, wrapped in sheet. Sunlight kiss, her skin so sweet. Me roll a spliff, me give her half. We laugh and float in herbal path. No stress, no fight, just pure align. Me feel your love in she and time. Herbs and harmony guide we flow. Inna this life, we move real slow. Ganja burn, mind get free. One heart, one soul, you and me. Herbs and harmony, deep like sea. Roots connection, eternally. Every draw, a sacred breath. We live in love, we not fear death. Me not chase fabulous illusion. Me find joy in natural fusion. Me queen dance with breeze and fire. She lift me up, she take me higher. She plant the herbs, me sing this song. Together we build where we belong. Coconut juice, hammock swing. Bird them chant and love them bring. Under moonlight me see her glow. She move like river, pure and slow. Incense burn, meditation start. She read me soul like sacred art. No judge, no mask, no pretense. Just honest vibes in her presence. When world get loud, she calm my mind. With one soft word, me realign. Herbs and harmony, sweet and true. Jah provide the love in you. Me no need no gold, no fame. Me call her love, but her soul got name. Herbs and harmony, balance light. We hold each other through the night. Storm may come, system may test, but we hold firm and still feel blessed. Me reason with me queen both life. She say me nah born just Phoebe wife. Me warrior too, me spirit free. Me hold the earth in a me tree. She teach me how fi blend the root, how every plant and word is truth. She dance round fire, I so wise. Me see the universe in she eyes. So like the chalice, hold me hand. We walk together on sacred land. No rush, no race, just this one song. With herbs and harmony, we belong. Me whisper thanks to Jah above, for one like she and endless love. We not just live, we elevate. Through herbs and harmony, we levitate.
Zion echoes, calling at the bubats. Yeah man. Jah herb, Jah love lift me soul so high. Ganja fire blazing reach up to the sky. Chant the psalm, the truth can't lie. With the rhythm of Jah, me not deny. Told them all the strength, make the fire ignite. Inna the darkness, Jah bring the light. The herb a power, the wicked can't fight. Jah wisdom pure, it shining bright. Me sing for the sufferer, the broken chain. Reggae melody soothe the pain. From trench town struggles to Zion gain. The herb a make we spirits sustain. Pass the chalice, chant the holy word. The message of peace, let it be heard. Inna the ghetto where the youth them stirred. The ganja fire make the open furred. Jah herb, Jah love lift me soul so high. Ganja fire blazing reach up to the sky. Chant the psalm, the truth can't lie. With the rhythm of Jah, me not deny. Me see the tears in a mama's eye. The system cruel, them can't deny. The ganja garden and me reply. Selassie I guide me, just spirit high. Light up the sour diesel, the essence pure. Healing the nations, Jah herb secure. The Babylon system can't obscure. With Jah inna me heart, me spirit sure. From the hilltop, the fire burn bright. The herb a make me vision insight. The rhythm a chant, me soul take flight. Selassie I bless me through the night. The herb a the healing, the love can end. Jah Jah guide, we make the spirit mend. With the reggae rhythm, the vibes transcend. One love, one herb, make the fire ascend. Jah herb, Jah love lift me soul so high. Ganja fire blazing reach up to the sky. Chant the psalm, the truth can't lie. With the rhythm of Jah, me not deny.
Me climb high where the wine them blow. Truth me know, above the cloud. Me spirit free, Jah carry me. Me look on valley, low and wide. No fear inside. Every step me take, Jah show how fi grow. Me start me journey, rough and raw, but me keep Jah law. Storm come down, rain beat hard, still me guard. Me hold me faith tight like stone, never alone. Mountain of strength me trod, guided by God. Them mock me path, them laugh me way, still me pray. Each fall teach me rise, Jah make me wise. No man can shake me will, me climb still. Every scar tell me name, fire flame. Yeah, mountain of strength, me stand tall, Jah guide it all. Mountain of strength, high me climb through space and time.
strength, me stand tall, Jah guide it all. Mountain of strength, high me climb through space and time. Mountain of strength, rise again, wash me pain. Yeah, mountain of strength, Jah unreal, me heal. So when the valley let low me see, me remember me destiny. Mountain of strength remain, forever reign. Yeah.
Me stand pan corner, drums them play, roots display. Me see the red, gold, green wave high, spirit fly. Rasta Nation chant for change, no strange. We rise in Jah order true, me and you. From Kingston straight to Accra town, we hold it down. From hills of Ethiopia high, bless Jah sky. Rasta people, one vibration, true nation. No border divide we soul, one goal. Me see the system crumble slow, them can't grow. We plant the seed of unity in the city. No politician can lead, only good deed. Rasta Nation rise, open eyes. Rasta Nation strong and free. Jah family, Rasta Nation.